Okay, here's my new babies with their mom and dad. Now these are just some of them, but I thought I'd show these first because they're up in the water table showing off real good. Let's go in close on them. They're full of BBS because they just ate, so their bellies are real red. I hope it shows off good on this video. There's Dad, he's after me. There's Mom, she don't know what to do. She doesn't like the whole thing though. There's some more babies right down here. And Dad is going crazy. He doesn't like this even a little bit. But I won't make this very long, just a short little video, because I'll probably do another one tomorrow. I just wanted to show them after 2 days free swimming and eating good with Mama Smokey blushing and Papa blushing, doing their thing, protecting them from me. They don't like me even a little bit being over here. Okay, here we go.